conceding 3 goals at home. In fact, 2 games at home, 3 goals conceded in each of the games. Against the Ghana, King Faisal conceded 3. They managed to score 2 today. Nothing seemed to work. If you look at the league table, Faisal is the only team without a player so far this season. Are you worried, and do you think you're the right man to take them out of this trouble?
I'm the right one because it's not the first time. I have done it before. With the Allies, nobody knew they were going to be there. I took them out. With our stars, we nearly even played in the top 4. So I think the difference here is that they are not premium materials. They have not played it, most of them have not played in the Premiership. And this is where you are playing the champions, Asante Kotoko. And not that though King Faisal is playing home, but it's Kotoko home, you understand? and so we are still believing that we'll manage what we have until the window opens.
Right. Questions for Coach? Okay.
Coach, you did not start the season with King Faisal. After joining them, are you able to identify the problem? Because 4 matches without him.
That's what I said. Inexperience was killing us. You could see, as Kotoko were passing, and this is what we're working on. Football is a passing game. The only time you dribble is when you are in trouble. When you have space, you commit the players. But look at the first goal they got. Our player was going, he was almost in the penalty area, and then he brought the ball back. Because he's not got the confidence to go forward. And so, and look at the last goal we conceded. It's time just to play safe. Only God knows what he wanted to do. And so, it shall be well. When, as we be on them, you see they are learning. The prayer is that they learn fast.
Coach, a follow-up to your answer that you gave to Capra, you said that your players are not Premier League materials. So you're hoping when the windows close, probably you do some recruitment. Are you saying that with this material, it will be difficult for King Faisal to, give some good results as the fans expected, because the materials will be the same and the experience will still be the same?
I said until the window opens, we'll manage what we have. And I'm telling you that before we have the break for the World Cup, King Faisal will take some points before the breakouts. Because sometimes we have seen them, and the first day I came, I won their 2 games, and I told the owners of the club that we have future team. They're young boys, a future team. And so, if you have a future team, you must know how to manage them. And that's exactly what we are going to do. Esiama has been down for malaria, he was even admitted. Our fair-colored centre-back who came was also same. But we decided to bring them in just to sit at the bench. If that doesn't go where they come. When they came, you could see the difference. Yeah. The difference between the young ones who played and Esiama and even at least Lawen. And so, Abednego Tete is sick. The captain of the team, Kusi, who have played in the Premiership for about 3 or whatever season. Perry, who has played with 11 Wonders, and last season he played about, I think, 4 seasons or so. These are the players who would have helped, but they're sick and injury. And that is why I'm so confident. Because when I have them, things will change.
Right. Last question.
Coach, I think you were better in the second half, although you considered another goal in the second half. What was your pep talk? And also, you were in a club that we all know that the owner of the club doesn't have trust in local coaches, only expatriates. Is that a worry for you?
No. If he doesn't have trust in us, he won't come for us. He has sacked 2 foreign coaches, and he feels that we can do the job. So we have come. We have just talked after the game, and he's impressed, especially in the second half. That will tell you the sign of a good coach. It was the changes. We made 3 changes direct, and after the 3 changes, things changed. If not for our boy who just gave the ball to them to score, like we couldn't have considered the game.
Last one.
Yeah, Coach, please, we have a striker in Abednego Tete who yet to score almost 4 years. Are you worried as a coach?
No, at King Faisal.
But he's still...
No, at King Faisal.
Is that the example?
Almost 4 years now. Abednego Tete, he yet to score in the
But
club.
I think,
Okay.
let me situate the question. You have to be fair to the player. It's not even played for a long period. So let's restrict ourselves to what he's done at King Faisal so far in a season. So we can answer.
Yes,
If he's impressed with his performance.
If he happens to be a malaria, we have given him some Lucozade at least to come. To get energy to play. But it is injury, so there's nothing we can do about it. Why am I saying so? We needed some, you could see when the ball goes, we easily loses it. So we needed somebody who can at least hold the ball so that we will come. But who will do it? They are all young. From the one who came on in the second half from Division 2, the one who started from Division 1. And so I am telling you that it will be positive very soon.
Are you assuring us